Okay, good afternoon everybody. Hi, good afternoon. Naririnig ba ako? Good afternoon. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon po.
Okay, good afternoon everybody. Anong week tayo kahapon? Anong week yung tinapos natin kahapon? O sige, si ano na lang. Andiyan ba si Boticario? Iha, nandyan ka ba?
Yes po.
Jane Alex, same ba? Same procedure tayo. Same
Okay
procedure.
po.
Yung attendance, ilista mo. So mamaya ka na mag-attendance mga after 45 after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes tapos i-post mo dun sa natin, sa GC natin para malaman ng iba na marami nang pumapasok. Okay, you are 35, ako yung pan 36. Welcome sa ating um, practical research class. Okay, welcome to our practical research class. So, okay, this is the deal. Kapag naputol tayo, kasi hanggang ano oras na? 2 o'clock. So, before 2:40, makakat tayo eh. Before 2:40 minutes lang yung Zoom. Pero babalik ako after 8 minutes. Okay? After 8 minutes. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan ba? After 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, babalik tayo. Okay? So, kamusta kayo dyan? Ilan tayo? Nakikita ba ako sa camera?
Opo.
Nakikita ko, Jenny Lynn. Okay.
Opo.
Okay, sige. So, let's continue lang ha. Ginawa niyo, mag-share screen lang ako ha. Share screen. Okay. Welcome to our subject practical research. Okay. Okay, week 4. So, week 4 tayo. So, week 5 na tayo ngayon. Okay? Week 5. Tama ba? Week 5? Okay, week 5 and 6. Okay, week 5 and 6. Week 5. Okay? So, nakikita niyo ba yung nakikita niyo yung sa week 3? Nasagutan niyo na ba yung performance task? Performance task? Sino na yung nakapagsagot? Sino na yung nakapagsagot? Pakitype.
Opo, sir.
Week 1 to 3, performance task 1. Nasagutan niyo na? Nasagutan niyo na ba? Mag-type nga kayo sa chat box kung sino na yung nakasagot. Yung mga nakasagot, type niyo yung salitang done. D-O-N-E. Kapag nasagutan niyo na tong performance task. Okay? Okay, sino na yung okay? Patingin. Patingin nga kung ilan na yung nag-sagot. Wait lang ha. Okay, done. Medyo marami-rami na ha. Marami na. Nakuha niyo na yung mga scores niyo. Nakita niyo yung scores niyo. Sumagot naman oh. Sumagot kayo. Nakita niyo yung mga score niyo? Ba't walang
Opo, sir.
Paano yung score niyo? Nakita niyo ba yung baka yung iba dyan nakikidan lang ha? Baka nakikigaya lang kayo na dan tapos hindi pa pala kayo sumasagot. Oh, wag kayong makigaya. Baka nakikigaya lang kayo, nakikidan kayo, tapos hindi nyo pala nasagutan. Katulad dati, sabi nyo, na-view nyo na yung video. Nung chinek ko yung video, 5 lang yung nag-view. Grade 11, wag kayong ganyan, ha? Siguraduhin nyo na, Jean Alec, Boticario, anong score mo, Iha? Iha, anong score mo? Jean?
8 po ata.
8-1 to ilan ba yon?
10 po.
Okay, 10. So you're 8. O yung iba ha, baka nakikigaya lang kayo. Ikaw, Brian, anong score mo?
8 out of 10 po.
8 out of 10. Okay. O, ayan na. Rainier ha, baka yung iba dyan nakikigaya lang. O yung iba dyan, yung nakikijoin sa atin sa Zoom, sagot-sagot din pag may time ha. Baka umaaten kayo, kaya lang ano kayo, tulog. Habang nagkaklase tayo, natutulog. Okay? O, sinabihan ko kayo, magsagot ha, magsagot. Magsagot, magsagot. Hoy, bakit 5 ka lang, Jenny Lynn? O, mag-reattempt kayo. Bakit 5 lang ang score nyo? Bakit may 6? Pwede nyo ang perfect ini kasi nga, di ba, ilang attempts ba meron? Ilan ang attempts meron, Boticario? Ilang
5
attempt?
attempts. 5
Nakailang,
attempts po.
nakailang attempt ka bago ka naka-8?
2 po.
Okay, 2 attempts. So, okay na sa iyo yung 8. Oh. Ayaw nyo nang mag-third attempt. O, sige, pinapaalala ko lang ha. Okay, let's continue. So today we will discuss chapter 5 and chapter 6. Okay, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Pinapaalala ko lang. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa week 1 to 3. Nasagutan niyo na yung performance task. Okay. So tapos na tayo sa week 4. Okay, ito naman sa 5 and 6. Nakita nyo? Ano yung meron? Ano yung meron? Ano tong tinuturo ko?
Long quiz po.
May long quiz ha? May long quiz. Baka yung iba sa inyo, uy, pasa mo na lang sa akin yung sagot. Ano ba yung sagot mo? Gagayahin ko na lang. Oh. Baka naghihintay lang kayo ng biyaya. Wag naman ganun. Magsagot naman kayo ng sarili nyo. Wag naman yung antay-antay ng biyaya. Tapos itetext sa'yo yung sagot. Itatype mo na lang. Wala nang basa-basa. Week 5 to 6 meron tayong long quiz. Okay?
Opo.
Okay. May long quiz number 1 ha. Pinapaalala ko yan. Meron pang written work. Long quiz number 2. After nun, quarterly exam na. Okay? Nakita niyo tong quarterly exam? Ayan. Okay.
Opo, sir.
Okay. So, welcome to week 5 and 6. Pag naputol tayo, babalik tayo. Identifying the inquiry. Okay. Identifying the inquiry. Okay. Okay, so our lesson for today is identifying the inquiry, applied research 1, contextual research in daily life 1. So research project to daily life. So yesterday we've discussed how important is, tama ba? Qualitative research, di ba, Iha? Iho, mga ihot iha. Qualitative research tayo kahapon. Tama ba?
Opo.
Okay, qualitative research tayo. And then, today, how is a research project related to daily life? Gaano ba siya kaugnay ng ating pang-araw-araw na buhay? Okay? Ano ang kaugnayan ng mga research project sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay? Okay, tatawag ako ha. Pwede bang pakibasa? Abigail Adriatico, number 1 and number 2. Everyday life is a methodology. Iha, si Abigail. Nakatulog ata si Abigail. Okay, nakatulog. Figueroa, Angel Marie. Angel Marie. Angel Marie.
Opo,
What?
sir. Everyday
Okay.
life is methodology which examines and undercovers and realization of daily life and how they are communicated and interpreted by an observer and or a participant. Everyday life is a participatory action, research method, research method, and embedded in people and situation.
Okay. Ano, Angel Marie, nanonood ba kayo ng TV? Lipat ka kaya ng pwesto?
Yun, dito ko lang po, sir. Naka-speaker po kasi.
Ang
Wait lang
alin?
po, sir. Lilipat lang po ako.
Lipat ka na lang ng pwesto kasi naririnig namin siya. Okay, like as what I've mentioned yesterday, class, research is an inevitable part of our daily life. Okay? Hindi mo siya maiaalis sa buhay natin. Research improves our normal life. It improves our daily life. Okay? So every day, as you observe your life,
Tapukan niya yung ano ko. Ang kanya sa akin. Ate, paano kinuha-login lang at saka.
sino ba yan naka-open ng
Hindi
mic?
ko maintindihan yung sinasabi niya. Gusto ko mga.
Pakimute nga yung mga mic nyo. Kanino ba yun? Okay, everyday life is a participatory action research wherein research information and research data is embedded in people and situation. All you have to do is to look closely. Okay, anong ibig sabihin ng to look closely? If you are doing your research class, you have to look at a thing. If you look at you need to look at a thing more. Kailangan mo siyang i-observe ng maigi in order for you to get your desired observation. Okay? Everyday life is a methodology. Lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin is practically a research project, okay? The people's attitude every day, the people's choices, lahat ng pinipili nyo, lahat ng pinapanood, pinapakinggan, ginagawa, could be a possible action research in the future. And then, kaya nag-improve yung buhay natin kumpara noon sa buhay natin ngayon, kaya nag-improve siya, it is because of research. Okay? That's how important research on our daily life. Okay? Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Stop share lang ako. Sandali. Paano ko ba makukuha yung yung link? Asan ba dito yung link? Nasa chat pala. Wait lang ha, class. Wait lang. Okay, let's continue. Okay? So, kailangan... Ay, ano ba yan? Ba't nawala? Okay, let's share screen once again. Okay, 3 and 4. Pakibasa nga numbers 3 and 4. Art Marie Guzman. Art Marie. Nandiyan ka ba, Art Marie? Everyday life. Art Marie. Art Marie. Art Marie, wala. Nakatulog si Art Marie. Si ano? Camille Fabonan Edrosolo. Camille Edrosolo.
Everyday life, research focuses on the details and seemingly insignificant occurrences that collectively contributed to how a situation, phenomenon, or incident is interpreted and experienced. Exploring everyday life requires the researchers to focus on details, makes connection and association between emergent and repetitive themes. Focus equally on sameness and difference. What happened today that did not happen yesterday and how that influences the research topic or focus. And make comparisons between the researcher's experience and the topic being studied.
Okay, thank you, Camille. Okay, so everyday life research, basically class, continually evolves. Pag sinasabi natin nag-evolves, it changes, it improves every day. What happened yesterday will not happen today. Okay, what happened last week will not be repeated today or this week. Okay, it can be repeated but there are certain modifications. No day is the same, right? No day is the same. Every day, every minute of our lives has different what? Has different magkakaiba yung ano natin. Magkakaiba yung experience natin. And as researchers, as you do your research class, as you do your research, you need to make connections. Okay? In order for your research to be effective, you should know how to focus on sameness, ano ba pagkakapare-pareho, how is it different, pagkakaiba-iba. Okay, okay. Meron bang paulit-ulit na themes or tema? Okay, may bago bang dumating? So you need to know how to decipher these things. You should know how to be observed, to observe those things. Dapat observant kayo for your research, for you to start your research. Okay, next. Okay, everyday life. Okay, let's call another. Okay, let's call another. Mark Anthony Francisco. Mark, nandyan ka ba, Mark? Mark Anthony Francisco. Wala. Nanonood. Nakatulog si Mark. Masarap ang ulam. Nakatulog. Princess Jerica Canuel. Jerica. Jerica Canuel. Nakatulog din. Okay, si Ibrahim na lang. Nosaim Ibrahim. Nosaim Ibrahim. Tulog. Nako. Ang dami nga natin, kaya lang ano ba nangyayari dun sa iba? Si Shell, ay natawag ko na pala. Si Sweet May na lang. Sweet May Dimpong ko. Sweet May?
Sir,
Ayan, kala ko nanonood ka ng Showtime. Sige, basahin. Everyday life is often written.
everyday life is often written in a first or third-hand person voice and relies on rich descriptions, sharp detail, creative construction, and comparative analysis. This approach is useful in analyzing qualitative data because it requires the researcher to consider and negotiate ubiquitous themes that occur in everyday life, from work to play.
Okay. So what as what? I have mentioned to you a while ago, research project is like telling a story. Okay, on what happens on our daily life. Okay, whether it could be on the field of science, in the field of medicine, nursing, social sciences, math, you need to have a sharp eye on the detail. You need to be creative, and you should know how to compare things, okay? And most importantly, you need to be analytical. Analytical means you are able to interpret lahat ng nako-collect mong data. All data collected needs to be interpreted or needs to be analyzed. Okay, you should know all these things, okay? Okay, last one, number 3. Everyday life, tong everyday life. Eduarte. Trisha Marie Eduarte. Trisha.
Sir,
Okay, pakibasa nga. Everyday life.
everyday life as a research approach encourages diversity. It is widely used among marginalized groups to privilege their personal perspectives and viewpoints that might otherwise be silenced or misinterpreted.
Misinterpreted. Okay? So, salamat, Trish. So, research project, we need to have research in order to recognize our diversity. Okay? At first glance, when you look at people, we may appear the same. Lalaki, babae, itim ang buhok, kulay brown ang balat. But, what about on other countries? There are also people who have dark skin, white hair, blonde hair, red hair, yellow skin. So, research project encourages and recognizes diversity. Okay, pagkakaiba-iba natin. Because of research, we could better understand other human beings and other topics that may be of interest to us. Okay? Other people's perspective, other people's viewpoint that may otherwise be silenced or misinterpreted. Because when you do your research, you will go back to other topics or other research project which may have done months or years from your research project, yung mga nauna. Okay? So, ganun yon. Okay? So, through research, you are able to appreciate other people's contribution to the research community. Kasi nga, you cannot do your research without going back to other research related to your topic. Hindi naman pwedeng ikaw ang pinakauna dyan sa topic na yan. Hindi. Lahat ng topic sa research, 99% or 90% of research, meron nang nauna sa yung gumawa niyan. Kaya babalikan mo sila and then you need to able to compare. You need to able to compare their ideas to your ideas, their perspective and viewpoints to your own point of view. Because some people may not care about those other topics or other people may misinterpret it. Okay, always remember, research project is always related to our daily life. Okay. Okay, what is the purpose of a research project? Okay. Purpose of the research title. Anybody? Pakibasa nga. Nicole May Agulto. Nicole? Nakatulog si Nicole. Nicole, andiyan ka ba, Nicole? Wala, nakatulog. Sino kaya? Micheline. Micheline Gayakaw. Micheline, andiyan ka? Micheline. Micheline?
Sir.
Okay, pakibasa nga. Purpose of the research title.
Yes po.
The title embodies
The title.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wag na mahina yung signal mo. Micheline, wag na, mahina signal
Purpose
mo.
of the research title.
Sige,
Lead
go.
verb or keywords or phrases that also the type.
Okay, how important is the research title, class? Okay, when you construct research title, it should contain important words which are vital to your research. Okay? For example, customer service. The word customer service. If you want to measure, if you wanted to measure, okay, if you wanted to measure something, you need to mention important keywords to your research title. Tingin nga tayo ng research title. Halimbawa ng research title. Yep. Tingin tayo ng halimbawa ng research titles. Okay. Nakikita ba itong ina-open ko? Okay. Okay, tingin tayo ng mga examples ng research title. Okay, so Okay, tingnan natin ha. Tingin tayo. Ayan. Okay, scientific titles. Tingin tayo ha kung gaano ka-important. Ito. Scientific titles in veterinary medicine research paper. Nakikita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo ba, class? Yung example ko?
Opo.
Nakikita nyo?
Opo.
Saang field yan? Saang field? Ano? Sa nursing ba yan? Sa arts ba yan? Sa
Medicine.
Okay, medicine. Ano ba yan? Ano? Pambata, pang matanda, pang may cancer, pang may diabetes. Anong medicine yan?
Pang animals.
Okay, para sa animals. Kasi nga, veterinary medicine. Okay. Always, ganyan lang kaikli ang mga research title, class. Hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng nobela, hindi naman sobrang haba, hindi naman sobrang ikli. Okay? Okay, tignan mo to. Tignan nyo to. I-highlight ko. I-highlight ko yung research title. Hanap tayo ng research title. Ito kasi tungkol sa veterinary medicine. Pakibasa nga, histopathological lesions in 15 cats with leishmaniasis. Ano yung pag-aaralan ko? Mga aso ba? Mga gorilla ba? Ano yung pag-aaralan ko? Sagot kayo.
Sir.
Pusa. Oo, pusa. Tignan niyo. Ganyan yung mga research title. Isang basa pa lang, alam agad ang research niyo. Okay? Top sharing tayo ha. Mapuputol na tayo in 30 seconds. Okay, babalik tayo ha. Babalik tayo after. Bigyan niyo lang ako ng 8 minutes. Kasi naka-record yung klase natin.